Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lumsopho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Ka jingelang juga kunuhun menteri jongka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala syong jingelang haka janmiet jongka Neutrik mentau nai luar arjar arpau haka ba layak keren halor kikat tukat nikimat kiba kham kongsan kawai nikimat kaba layak keren haka niki jingelang kadai lo kacingpan kelai kat tukat niki kendon haka Meghalaya Factories Rules kat kendai spa arpau ya kaba kani jingelang kala menjur ban pen kelai ki kendon kham tamah kabai day baka bhaka miat jongki kenthai haki karkhana kabalong rukat kum ka Factories Act kat kendai spa sapuprah.
The second agenda which was taken up was regarding the amendment to Rule 45 and Rule 78C of the Meghalaya Factories Rules 1980. So in this as you all know, to give you a brief background, the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India, had requested the state government to incorporate the Model Factories rules regarding the provision of sanitary napkins for the women workers under the Factories Act 1948, and also to incorporate the Model Factories rules regarding personal protective equipments under the Factories Act 1948. So, as you all know, the Factories Act 1948 is an act dealing in matters related to safety, health and welfare, etc. of the workers. So this matter was discussed in the Cabinet today. The suggestions of the Law Department was placed before the Cabinet, and therefore the approval of the Cabinet was sought to amend Rule number 45 and Rule 78C, and after new discussion this proposal was agreed upon for the amendment of Rules 45 and Rule 78C. So the amendment states, in sub-rule B of Rule 45 of the Meghalaya Factories Rules 1980, hereinafter known as the Principal Rules, for the figure 10 appeared in between the word every and thereafter shall be substituted by the figure 50. So this is in regards to the number of toilets per person. So earlier it was for every 10 persons there must be a toilet, and now it has been substituted by the figure 50. After sub-rule B of the following new sub-rules C and sub-rules D shall be added, namely, in subpara C, sanitary napkins of adequate quantity conforming to Indian standards shall be provided and maintained in the women's toilets for their use and the same replenished on daily basis. D. Disposable bins with lids shall be provided within the women's toilets for the collection of the used napkins. The used napkins shall be disposed of as per the procedure approved by the inspector. Then amendments to Rule 78C. For the Rule 78C of the Principal Rules, the following new rule shall be substituted, namely, personal protective equipment. 1. All workers should mandatorily be provided with personal protective equipment as required under any of the provisions of the Act or the rules, and such PPEs shall conform to the relevant national standard. The occupier shall require the workers to use such PPEs, and the same shall be maintained in proper working condition by the occupier. No charge whatsoever shall be charged by the occupier from the workers for provision of such personal protective equipment. 2. Without prejudice to the generality of the provisions of Sub-Rule 1, the various types of personal protective equipment to which this rule shall extend for use in factories shall be prescribed below. And there are many of them, namely safety helmet, protective footwear, safety goggles and spectacles, equipment for eye and face protection during welding, gloves and protective clothing, ear protection when exposed to noise, respiratory protection and other protective equipment. And the last amendment is pertaining to the deletion of Rule 78D. So this was just a repetition of the protective gear. So this has been proposed to be deleted. So these are the amendments to the Meghalaya Factories Rules 1980.